This book name is Stick, spelled S-T-I-C-K, and Stone, spelled S-T-O-N-E. Stone. So here is Stick. He's by himself. And here's Stone. He's lonely, all alone. The stone is a 0. Stick is a 1. Because he looks like a 1, and the stone looks like a 0. Alone is not fun. See, the stick is on his way. Now Stick and Stone. Now look, along comes Pinecone. Pinecone is teasing and making fun of Stone, being so mean. He keeps picking on him and he won't leave him alone. Stick says, "Vanish, go away." His word worked. It did the trick. It shooed Pinecone away. That's good. Stone said, "Thank you so much for sticking up for me." Well, yeah, of course I wanted to help you because you're my friend. That's what we do. Stick and Stone, they're not alone anymore. Now they're together. Stick and Stone, a friendship is now growing. Now they wander and explore. It's another sign for explore, looking around. Now they are sitting down on the beach, just relaxing, being lazy by the shore. Then, all of a sudden, there is rain and a storm full of thunder and a loud hurricane. That's how you spell hurricane. Stick is blown, floating away. Look, you see Pinecone. And Stone's yelling, "Hey, hold on, I'm gonna come help you." But then again, Stone is all alone. He searched all day and all night. Couldn't find Stick in sight. Now, what does he see? A ginormous puddle. And there's where he sees the Stick. He is stuck in the mud. Stone is going to go rescue him by rolling down the hill and jumping into the puddle. Stick says, "Thank you so much. You rock." Stone says, "Well, that's because we're friends. That's what we do. We help each other." Stick and Stone together again. Stick and Stone, perfect 10. Remember, the stick was a 1 and the stone was a 0. If you put them together, it makes 10. It looks like 10 when they're standing side by side. All right, the end.